Hello everyone, my name is Anshu Khare. Now today I am going to discuss about 5 things that everyone should know about the electric vehicles. Since electric vehicle is the upcoming technology, so everyone should know about the electric vehicles. So first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Anshu and I am electronics engineer. I have completed MTech in wireless communication and sensor network and I have published a research paper in IEEE. So today's objective of this session is that I will introduce yourself about the electric vehicle. Then I will make you aware about the benefits of using electric vehicle. Then benefits in terms of personal as well as for a country as a whole. So next, the first thing which you should know about the electric vehicle is that electric vehicles are saving the climate and our lives. Like to solve the climate crisis, we need to make the vehicles on road as clean as possible. Since electric vehicles use the battery and the battery is used to run the motor which drives the electric vehicle. Therefore, there is no tailpipe emission from the back side of the electric vehicle. So they will create a green environment when we use the electric vehicle. If we use electricity which is generated from the renewable resources, then we will say that it is purely clean and green technology for our climate and for our lives. We have only a decade left to change the way we use energy to avoid the worst impacts of climate change. So there is a high time to opt for electric vehicle since there is lot of pollution in the environment which in turn affect our lives also. It affects different internal organs like lungs, hearts, brain, and we have to adopt electric vehicle as soon as possible. The next point which everyone should know is that electric vehicles can charge up at home, at work, while you are at the store. So it is possible to charge your vehicle wherever you are present. The necessity is that there should be the chargers installed in the at your workplace, at mall, at shopping center. The government has given instructions that the new apartments, new malls which are going to be created, the 20% space should be left for EV electric vehicles. That's why so electric vehicles can be charged everywhere. So as more electric vehicles hit the market and are used more broadly, new recharging solutions will be required. So here's the another business option in the electric vehicle technology. You can adopt for opening the charging station at different places in the city or on the highway. Since this activity is a de-licensed activity, it doesn't require any license to open the electric vehicle charging station. You have to be concerned about the government norms which the government has told for opening the electric vehicle charging station, including adding more public charging locations in shopping centers, parking garage and workplaces. So that's why this is the second point, electric vehicles you can charge at any place. Third point is that Niti Aayog, which is the government body, suggests that to provide incentives on EV purchase apart from subsidy from FAME 2. FAME is a policy created by the government that is faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicle. So in FAME it is mentioned that if a person is purchasing electric vehicle, then subsidy is provided on that vehicle. But Niti Aayog has suggested the government to provide more incentive apart from FAME 2 so that more and more people purchase the electric vehicle. Electric mobility in India also said the government should include EV and associated businesses in the priority sector lending category. It further pitched for creation of non-financial incentives including priority sector, lending category. Again, it is also said that green zones should be demarcated within the cities so that there will be the permit only for EVs and heavy taxes should be charged on the conventional fuel vehicles. That means in green zones, if a vehicle moves which is IC engine vehicle, then heavy taxes will be charged from them. So the zones will be created where electric vehicles should be moved. Next comes 2021 could be the revolutionary year for the electric vehicle sector, as experts feel that the time has come for the government to push for the adoption of EV, as according to an estimate, India will become the fourth largest market for electric vehicle by 2040. And Jiten Sharma, founder of Okinawa Autotech, said that 2021 could be a revolutionary year for the EV sector and urged the government to take steps to place India on the global EV map. Fifth point is that license to the age group of 16 to 18 years to encourage the usage of electric two-wheelers up to 4 kilowatt motor. The ministry has allowed granting license to the age group of 16 to 18 years to drive gearless e-scooters and bikes. With this step, the kids in between the age of 16 to 18 can also drive two-wheelers, okay, and it is not harm for them to opt for electric vehicles. So the students will also opt electric vehicles, and they doesn't require any as such since to drive this vehicle is very easy since it is a gearless vehicle and it could be charged at home also with the help of different levels of charging like level 1, level 2, level 3. So with the help of level 1, that is 16 ampere of socket, you can charge your electric vehicle at your home. So the government has taken a step to encourage more and more electric vehicles on road so that there could be fast elimination of the IC engine vehicle to promote the clean and green environment and also to retain our Indian currency in our country itself. Since in purchasing petrol or diesel, government has to invest lot of money in that area. So that money will be saved if we adopt for the electric vehicle technology. That's all for today. Thank you.